Rose Cardamom Iced Latte Recipe. Summer treat. Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a drink that tastes like a floral safe dream rose cardamom iced latte. It's creamy, lightly sweet and beautifully fragrant, with soft rose notes and warm cardamom spice that feels both refreshing and luxurious. If you love iced lattes that are a little different and totally Instagram worthy, this one is for you. Let's make it. Ingredients: 1-2 shots espresso, or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, chilled 3/4 cup milk whole, oat, almond, or your favorite 1-2 teaspoons rose syrup, or 1 teaspoon rose water plus 1-2 teaspoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon ground cardamom. Start small. Cardamom is powerful. 1 teaspoon honey or simple syrup optional. To taste ice optional. Garnish: dried rose petals, crushed pistachios, or a sprinkle of cardamom. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee. If you're using brewed coffee, make sure it's extra strong so the flavor holds up over ice. Let it cool for a few minutes, or chill it in the fridge. In a glass, add the rose syrup or rose water and sugar, ground cardamom and milk. Stir well until everything is fully mixed and the cardamom is evenly distributed. Fill the glass with ice. Slowly pour your espresso over the ice for that beautiful layered look. Give it a gentle stir, then taste and adjust. Add a little honey or extra rose if you want it sweeter. Top with dried rose petals or a tiny pinch of cardamom for a stunning finish. Serve immediately, sip slowly, and enjoy this floral spiced iced latte magic. Free ebook: Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.